time to do the right thing.
In 30 seconds.
Just gotta
Stay
figure
strong.
out what that is. Wait, you've got elemental powers too? Oh, that's awesome. Hey, you should try out my guns.
I have no need for weapons. Nature's full fury is mine to command.
Same. I mean, well, not its full fury. I mean, it's a tiny bit of fury, and I don't really command it. I just pull the trigger and
Battle
hope
starts
for
in
the
5,
best. But it's close
4,
enough, right?
3, 2, 1.
Locked and loaded. In your face, loser! Coming right at ya! Oh, thought you had me!
Where's the timeline where we all just go down to the bodega for a sandwich? Nice. We need to fight right now.
I only wish I had done it myself.
Round and pound. Hey, we make a pretty good team. Spider Fist is ready to punch. Now's the time to hit him. Is there a doctor in the house? Spider Fist is ready to punch.
Pulse charge! Fire!
No match with the amazing Spider-Man!
Double KO.
Spider Domain is not for the weak.
Or down.
Watch out, they're headed our way. Round and pound. I'm not a vengeful person, but today I'll make an exception.
Maximum pulse!
Gonna get sticky.
Double KO.
All right, someday.
Only 60 seconds left.
Nice. Match with the amazing Spider-Man. Gonna get sticky.
Us against the world.
Spider Fist is ready to punch. Cracks a whip. I hope the next... Back in the swing of
They
things.
hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Better stop that vehicle.
Hurricane incoming!
Round and pound. Let's bust this place up.
They've made it halfway. Stop them.
Better than Aunt May's chicken soup.
Maximum pulse!
Now, don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Got your back. Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
There's still a chance to stop them.
I gotta do better this time.
Better stop that vehicle.
Yeah. Yeah! Woo! Now's the time to hit. Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Round and pound!
Only 60 seconds left.
Better than Aunt May's chicken soup.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Gonna get sticky! Better than Aunt May's chicken soup.
Us against the world. Better stop that vehicle.
Yeah. Spider Fist is ready to punch. I hope the next version of me I meet is nicer.
Double kill.
Woohoo! No webs needed. Back in the swing of things.
It's now or never. Stop them.
A feast for my crows!
Now's the time to hit.
Fantastic! Ha-ha! Wow!
Perfect. Hit.
Fine, don't mind me.
Only 60 seconds left.
Gonna get sticky.
Maximum pulse!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Now's the time to hit.
Down to 30
gonna get sticky.
Another